Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to flip a camera in Bigo Live. First of all, launch open the Bigo Live application on your device. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After you're signed into the homepage of Bigo Live, go ahead and tap on the Go Live button at the bottom center of the screen. You'll then be able to see your front camera opened up. This is where you can manage your live. Simply go ahead and tap on the flip button at the bottom left corner and you'll then be able to flip your camera backwards. You can do this even after going live. All you need to do is to tap the flip camera and you'll be able to flip your camera front and back. So that is how you can easily flip your camera in Bigo Live. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.